In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect HubSpot with MailChimp. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and improve data synchronization between these two powerful platforms, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. To start, access the HubSpot app marketplace. This is where you'll find a plethora of integrations to enhance your HubSpot experience. You'll want to navigate to the marketplace within your HubSpot account. Once there, use the search function to find the MailChimp integration. It's a popular choice, so it should appear right away. Once you've located it, click on the app to get started. Next, you'll need to install the MailChimp app. This process begins by selecting Install App once you're on the MailChimp page in the marketplace. HubSpot will guide you through the process, ensuring that the installation is smooth and straightforward. Just make sure you're following the prompts, and you'll be on your way to integrating these two platforms in no time. Now, it's time to authenticate with MailChimp. This step is crucial as it allows HubSpot to access your MailChimp data. You'll be prompted to log into your MailChimp account. After you enter your credentials, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions. These permissions are essential for HubSpot to fully integrate with MailChimp, enabling data sharing between the systems. Take a moment to review what permissions are being asked for, and once you feel comfortable, go ahead and allow access. With the app installed and authenticated, you can now move on to configuring the integration. This is where you can customize how data is shared between HubSpot and MailChimp. You'll be able to set up field mapping, which determines how information like contact details is synchronized. Additionally, you can decide which specific contacts or lists you'd like to sync between the two platforms. Take your time with these settings as they play a crucial role in how well your integration will serve your needs. An optional yet highly useful step is enabling activity sync. By toggling on this option, MailChimp email activities can be displayed within your HubSpot contact records. This feature provides a more comprehensive view of your contacts' engagement, offering better insight into their behaviors and interests. Finally, remember that if the need arises, you have the flexibility to disconnect the integration. This can be done from within the integration settings in HubSpot. It's simple to do, and it's always comforting to know that you have full control over your integrations. And there you have it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with MailChimp, opening up a world of possibilities for your marketing endeavors. Happy syncing, and we'll see you in the next video.